This video shows the demo of the access management system. The system is a web-based system. Type the URL in at the Google address bar, and firstly the user login page will be shown. After user login, the system will show the dashboard. At the left menu, there are the three main menus: equipment management, system management, user management, and then the reporting. The dashboard is at the right panel and shows the item quantity according to the location area. User can click each of this location area to see the item list at that location area, or click the equipment listing at the left menu. User can check the item list by the item status, location, type, group, and also can search the item by item barcode and item description keywords. This page allows user to create the item into the system by clicking the plus sample pattern at the upper right corner. User can key in all the data and information of the item, and then click the create button. Before create the item, user have to create the item locations, item types, and item group under the system management menu. User can key in the item locations. To create the item locations or item group, to create, just click the plus sample pattern at the right corner of the left panel. User can create the related data information of the related item field, then click the create button. System will record it accordingly. The equipment listing page, system also allows user to edit the item data information. Click the edit sample pattern at the side of the item information under the listing page. User can edit accordingly and click the update button to update, or if user want to delete this item from the system, can click the delete button, so the item will be removed from the system. Regarding for the tagging as encode the RFID tag, user can use either the tagging stations or handheld. Later I will show how to encode the tag by using handheld. The item locations, this item location can be updated by scanning by handheld or detected by the gate. When the item is scanned by handheld or detected by the gate, the system will auto update to the item location in the system. Later we'll show how to update the item location by the scanning by the handheld. One more thing under the equipment management is a static. The system also allows to use the allow user to for the static game. To do the static, so at the this web program, what the user have to do, user have to create the static list according to the locations. So it means which items you want to static based on the which location you want to static under the component area or assembly area or packing area. You have to do the static list first. To do the static list, you have to click the this plus button So give the static name and then just select the item location area and then just create the pattern. Another menu I would like to share this about the user management. So that user management is to give the user permissions like that. So that is a two types of the user level. To create the user, click this plus button so you can create what user role you want to assign. You can choose either admin or normal user, but this admin or normal user is defined by the system, so the system developer can design accordingly to the user requirement. So the admin user can do all the functions, but the normal user can do only the limited function, like that which function want to do for user. So the system the developer can design according to the user desire. So the last one is about the reporting. So at the reporting, there is a few types of the reports. So we can the designs what types of the report user want, we can create for it. So at the user at the reports, so you can see all the item list according to the report type, and then also user generate this report either Excel or PDF. So that's all for the web program. Now I would like to show about the handheld program. So this demo system used the handheld program which is installed at the iPad or the iOS platform. The system developer can design this handheld programs with the other types of the handheld reader according to the user what type of the handheld they would like to use. So here is the program that is on the iPad. This iPad is already connected with the UHF handheld. So after click the program, also have the login. So after this the user login is according to what we create the user at the web program. After the login, the program will show the check-in checkout the page, and the user can choose which area you want to check in, you want to check out. So for example, the item go through from the component store to the assembly, the production area. If we want to use the handheld, scan the item and make the checkout from the component store, and then scan the item again, and then choose the check-in, and then the location will be the assembly production area. So the system is a checkout from the component and then check into the assembly area. So the update that the item locations is the assembly area. So this updated location is already auto updated at the systems after you do the check-in checkout. If you are using the gate, no need to do check-in checkout like that, like used by handheld. The gate will detect the items, and then those detected items will directly update to the system, and then the system will auto update those items location. Example, the item is through the gate. The gate is between the component the area and the assembly area. The item go through the gate. The system will already update those item location as a assembly or production area. So another one is the stock take. So how we use the handheld to do the stock take. We click the stock take menu. So there will be show you the stock take list that is created at the web program there. And then we choose the one the stock take list where what you want to do. So show the stock take the item. That's the items located at the according to the stock take list locations. Okay, so and then when you do the use the handheld, do the scan the item, the tag. Okay, so here also can see here the example to the how many 236 items for this stock take list, and then how many detected with the correct locations, how many are detected with the wrong location, because some of the items at the system mentioned is at the component area, but you found at the assembly area or packet area like that. So this one also detected according to this items locations. So and then also show you the some the missing item, but at the system, let's say the item A should have to be the there's a component area. When you do the component area stock take, you cannot find, you cannot the scan the item. That item will be under the missing item like that. So after finish the scanning, you click the commit button. So another one is the tagging. Okay, so the firstly at the web program, you inventory the item. You already create the item list, all the things. That this is the item create inventory list at the system only. To encode the RFID tag, you need to do the tagging. So to do the tagging, you can do it either the stations, the tagging stations, or use the handheld, the program. So the procedure is the same. Just key in the just scan the RFID tag and then scan and then key in the item, the barcode number, and then click the encode button, and then after that commit. So the tag will be the RFID tag will be encoded with the barcode number, and then the system also updated. For this item is already tagged. Yeah. So thank you. So that's all for the demo programs. How we are using the system for the so-called access management systems. So where we can find where the tags are, and then the maintenance where which items are entered at which location. You can find it easily. You can do the stock take, and then all these items locations are updated into the systems. So you can do it at that. So any the user require, we can do the system some customization also. Thank you.